This is the best USB hub for the MacBook Air and MacBook Pro. And today, we will unbox it, we will set it up, and we will, of course, review it. It has so many features such as USB-C, USB 3, USB-A ports, SD card reader, TF card reader, mini SD card, and way more. So let's don't waste time and let's begin. Hey, what's up guys, this is again Showtime with MZ back with another video, and if you're new to this channel, we're making a bunch of cool technological videos, unboxing setups just like this and way more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing down below. And now, the thing is that basically I bought M1 MacBook Air. If you want, of course, to check out the unboxing setup and review, link right here, and you can click that and watch it. But the thing is that I bought it, and it's great. It really performs very well, but there is only one problem, and the problem is this. Please take a look at the amount of the ports this MacBook has. You see, 1, 2, no more than this. You see over there as well, only 2 ports, 2 USB-C ports, and only 1 headphone jack. Nothing else. Absolutely nothing else. And for me, as a video editor and as like a user, like everyone needs more than 2 USB-C ports and only 1 headphone jack. There are so many things such as USB 3 ports, so USB-A, or B, I don't know, which are pretty underrated. But many people actually use them. I even use the iPhone charger, which is USB-A. And sometimes I want to plug the charger into the laptop and charge it like that. I can't do it because it's USB-C. And there are many things such as, for example, you may want to use SD card. So if you're a video editor and you shoot your videos on the camera and you want to edit in the MacBook. And yeah, this is the only minus I think that you can really say about this Macs. And I found the best accessory, which is USB hub, that can replace all those features. It costs only $16. You can purchase it on Amazon from the link down below, and it's great, guys. It has so many cool features that you might really need. So let's unbox it and let's review it, okay? So let's go. As you can see on the box, we have some stuff written such as multi-port USB-C hub. We have this USB-C hub painted over there, and it shows us that we have USB-C, we have USB 3.0, and we have SD and TF, which is micro SD cards. And on these sides we have multi-port USB-C hub, as well as on this side the same written. And I like that this is actually written in the way like that usually Apple writes some stuff on their products. It makes it seem more Apple stylish or something. And yeah, basically this is like the box itself. On this side we have some more stuff to see, such as like USB-C ports. Yeah, it connects to those 2 USB-C ports that this MacBook has, as you can see. And it's Thunderbolt 3 port. It gives us 1 Thunderbolt 3 port. We have 3 USB 3 ports, 1 SD, TF, and also indicator light that indicates basically if this accessory is connected to your Mac and if it's usable at the moment. And basically the specs are over there. So you have 1 Thunderbolt 3, 3 USB 3A ports, 1 SD card reader, 1 micro SD card reader. Color is gray. Dimensions are 95, 29.2 and 9.5 millimeters, and weight is just 50 grams, and it's compatible with MacBook Pro 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20, and MacBook Air 18, 19, 20, like 20, 18, 19, 20. So let's unpackage it. I don't really know how we can do this, but let's try to do it, okay, like this. I think I got it. Okay, there we go. Here it goes. So, ASMR. And basically here is the box itself. So you can take a look at all the sides of it, like this one, this one, this one, this one, okay? So when we have it out of the way, let's actually take it out of the box because I'm talking too much about it right now. So let's open the box like this. I hope you're seeing everything there. And here it goes. So like this, 3, 2, oh, first of all, there comes Rate Cute customer service, which is 24-hour online replying, 30-day money-back guarantee, 180-day limited product warranty, and big sale for second buy after review. And we also have email and all that stuff that you might need. Okay, so quite interesting card over there, and here the product itself comes. So I think I'm gonna get it wrong. Yeah, it's correct. Oh, well, I really expected it to be way larger than it is. So let's take it out of the box. Let me actually show you how it looks. Yeah, I really expected it to be huge. And it comes right out of the box right now. It is really small, look. It is small. So we have like Rate Cute over there written, as well as this LED light that indicates or something like that. We have here, let me show you all the stuff that we have over here. So USB-C, we have 2 USB-A ports, one more over here, and SD card reader, as well as small mini SD card reader, macro SD card, or whatever. So, and of course it says USB-C, USB 3, USB 3, SD card, and micro SD card, and USB 3. Yeah, that's all it can do. And now let me actually take here my MacBook and let's see how it works. I've got the gray one. I think there are silver ones as well, but it matches my space gray MacBook. So let me plug it in and see the size. So here we go in 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Wow, it plugs really well, and what you already can see is that it lights up, which is pretty interesting, really interesting, and it's usable. It's really good. You can really understand that this is good material. This is how thin it is, so you can see that it's basically the same size, height as the MacBook itself. And we have a bunch of stuff over here. I can grab here MacBook Pro as well to show you how it fits over there as well. So this is how it fits on MacBook Air, and this is how it fits on MacBook Pro. So you can catch some little difference, not much. It's easy to use, I guess. It's very light and portable. You can carry around really well. And let's review it, okay? So let me actually start with reviewing it like in this order, as they are like this. So we will start with USB-C. Okay, so I will be using this hub to connect with the USB-C, okay? Which is like the charger. So let me connect it first of all with my laptop. And when it is already connected, it shows you the light, as you can see. So it's really easy to use. It's really thin. You can see that right over there. This is the MacBook Air, guys. And let me plug here this charger, USB-C, as you can see right over here. So let me plug it in and let's see how it works. So let me open up this laptop itself. So 3, 2, 1, go. And there we go. I plugged it in. As you can see, it already begins charging with that animation. So it's power stars, power adapter, no apps using significant energy. So you can quite understand that USB-C actually works at this very moment. Now I will try to test all of those USB-A ports. Now let's try to test the SD card reader. I don't have micro SD or mini SD, whatever you call it, but I have SD card. So let me actually try to plug it plug it in here. This is the SD card place where you can put it in. Okay, so here's my SD card, and now I'm gonna plug it into this hub. So let's go. So it really depends how you have your hub placed. So for example, if this logo, which is Raycute, is up, you can't really plug your SD card in this position, which is like this. You have to actually turn it around and plug it like this, so that like this 64 gig thing is downwards. Okay, so let me plug it in actually, and let's see how it works with my computer. So 3, 2, 1, go. Let's see. And you can see over there that almost instantly we can see the untitled, which is actually this SD card. And let's see if it can really transfer all these things, like if it really can respond to the commands that we can give to it. So let me actually go all the way down, and here is the movie that I would like to export. This is the one that I was talking right now. So yeah, let's like it plays normally, and let's see how it handles the job of exporting, how fast. So we can see that it's exporting quite rapidly. It's 6 GB long file, and it exports it quite fast, I would say. It's about, I don't know, 20 megabytes per second, maybe 30, I don't know. So it exports quite well. Okay, moving forward with USB-A. So this is USB-A, as you can see. It's called USB 3.0 or USB-A, and it's the one like which comes with the iPhone chargers or whatever. And this hub has 3 of them, which is pretty useful, I guess. And I will use it to connect with my iPhone and to charge it basically, and maybe transfer some stuff from the image capture. So without any further ado, let's go. So this is USB-A port, and I'm gonna just simply plug it into this one. So 3, 2, 1, and there we go. Okay, it comes in pretty well, pretty easily, I would say. And let me actually go ahead and use this cable or this part of the iPhone to connect it, and let's see if it will charge basically. So let me actually try it from the lock screen so that you can see it better, like you know that animation. Okay, so I'm gonna plug it in really soon. In 3, 2, 1, there we go. You see, there's the charging over there. So it charges pretty well. Now let's see how it actually handles data transferring from iPhone to the MacBook itself. So let me go to the Launchpad, and let me go to other section where you will see the image capture. And let me tap it. Let me see, this iPhone is right over here. It's unlocked, and then it connects. Please wait, photos in the Mac camera roll are being prepared, so it's gonna be prepared pretty soon, and let's see what we'll get. Okay, and there we go. All the photos and videos are now in here. As you can see, everything that I have over here is right here. So let's actually try to transfer one of them. So 3, 2, 1, go. And there it goes. It's already transferred. It wasn't a pretty big one. It's 6 megabytes, but still, it was rapid transferring. So it handles this job pretty good. Okay guys, so this was basically it with today's video. This was the USB hub from Raycute or something, Raycute or something, and you can purchase that from the link down below on the Amazon. It costs only 16 bucks. You can grab one like this, and as you can see, it works pretty well. So that was it. If you liked this video, make sure to click like and of course subscribe down below so that you don't miss any future videos just like this. You can also watch iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing, setup and review. And by the way, you can check out, can you really edit on MacBook Air 2020 M1? Is it good for using as only video editing computer? So that was pretty much it. I'll see you guys later. Bye.